So we're standing in the foyer entryway of our house that we are renovating, and this is the door going to the living room. So this door is only about 32 inches wide, and that's fine, but I think for a main entryway that furniture and stuff will come through, we want to make this a little wider. So I'm going to be pushing this wall back and making this opening 36 inches wide. Actually 38 so that I can finish it out to 36. That's what I'm looking at today. I previously stuck this board in here as just a temporary support because this 2x4 is cut on the bottom. I had to cut it out of my way when I was doing the floor. So this one is doing nothing. This one is holding some weight. I could probably safely take it out, but I didn't want the span being too wide without any support under it. So I'm just looking at this and trying to figure out the best way to tackle this project without making too much of a mess. So what I think I'm going to do is just take the trim off the other side of the wall, the door trim, and maybe try to pop off one of these wall boards and just start inching this back, and I'll just take it as it comes. We'll see what we can do. We're gonna put these.
Did you hear me?
No, what?
We have to leave soon.
Okay.
It's like 3.
Okay, it's a little dark in here, but I just wanted to say that we got that door expanded. So now that door is a full 38 inches wide. It'll be 36 when it's all done. Put in a header. It's not perfect. I wasn't able to get a proper king and jack stud on the one side here, but I got some big lag bolts into it, and I can put a metal bracket under it later. This had no header at all, so it's fine. I'm not worried about that. But that's a nice wide door going in to the living room. Also, this room, look at it. We got it a lot more cleaned up. It's getting late in the evening, so it's a little dark in here, but made big progress getting clean. And another exciting update is this. We already got our new doors for the bedroom renovation. So basically the bedroom balcony and the main front door. Both of them are in that crate. I am so excited to get those unpacked, check them out, get them installed. I can't show them to you guys today, but we have them. So I still have to pick up some flashing tape and odds and ends that we forgot. After we get that stuff, we'll try to get those installed. And I can't wait to show you guys and see what you think. I'll give you a sneak peek right here through the plastic of one of them. That's all you get. So it's a new day, and I've been making some good progress in the bedroom. Just doing blocking along the floor to seal up from the crawl space to inside the house. Getting some more wiring done in the hall area, the front entryway. We decided to run to the store to get some flashing tape to install our new doors and some other odds and ends. Unfortunately, we didn't get anything because it was like, we couldn't find it.
Yeah.
We walked up and down the aisles. We couldn't find the flashing tape, so we gave up. I did get the metal bracket to extra reinforce the header I built for that expanded doorway, so that's going to be cool. I'll get that installed. But when we got home, look at what's waiting for us. So this is our new tile for our master bathroom renovation. That's really exciting. Let me show you guys. Hopefully I can pick this up. Check this out.
It's so cool.
Now I don't know how well the color is going to translate on the screen, but these are like a very light minty green. They have a brownish
outline, and they have that interesting shape to them.
So when we were looking for tile, it was actually pretty tough. We looked all over, Lowe's, Home Depot, and the usual.
There's nothing in those stores that caught our eye or we thought would look good in there.
Yeah. So we went online, did some searching on there, and we found it. When Ashley saw it, she's like, ooh, this is cool. She's been talking about green for a long time. She was actually thinking about green in the bedroom. So I think green was the obvious color to go to.
When I saw it, was like, ooh, that's awesome. I like the shape, I like the color, I like the size.
So we should say that's the bathroom floor. Something we've never worked with before. Small tile like that and decorative tile is something that's new to us. It should be pretty easy, but there's probably going to be a couple things that we'll have to do differently. I think it's going to come out really, really beautiful. We try to plan ahead and know what you guys are going to ask so that we can answer those questions in the video. So I'll just say that yes, it does look like a wall tile, but it is also made for the floor. They have certain ratings on tile for the finish, of how durable the finish is and everything. And this one has a pretty good rating.
Yeah, it's not supposed to scratch easy at all.
So it's a very durable tile, and it also, even though it's glossy, isn't super slippery. It has a pretty good slip resistance. So don't worry about that. I know people always worry about tile being slippery when wet, but this should be fine. Should be totally fine. And it's a tiny bathroom. We're not going to be running around in there. So that's the other thing to consider is in a bathroom, there's no furniture, and you're usually going to be in there in socks or barefoot. So you don't have to worry about damaging that glossy, nice finish. I think it's going to look really cool. We wanted something that had a more classic feel, and we wanted to do something a little more interesting this time and not just white. So that's what we said. Because I know a lot of classic tiles are white, and that's the look. But we
just wanted something completely new and different for us.
As long as we're going with this green, that's going to set the tone of the bathroom and maybe even branch out into the bedroom because we like cohesiveness. It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
We haven't picked a grout color yet. We're thinking dark brown. We don't want to go white, and we don't want to go gray or black. I think that just a brown is going to look good because it's going to go with the green. Green and brown always go together. It's very natural.
Yep.
We don't want it to match the brown on the tile because then it makes it look like huge grout lines. So just something dark brown. Maybe.
Very dark brown. Yeah.
I think that'll be a cool contrast. We're making some big steps forward. We have the flooring. We have the doors. Still waiting on the windows.
Yep.
We have the insulation 98% done. Believe it or not, I got a few more things I got to do.
We have to wait for them to get the ceiling insulation in stock somewhere.
Yeah. But we're making big progress moving forward. Now, I just also want to mention that we actually bought these off Overstock.com. Not sponsored in any way, but we have to say this because we actually enjoy that website. There's something interesting about Overstock.com is that on every single product, if you open the description, it tells where they're made. And we love to know where stuff is made, and not many websites do that. So there's a lot of times where we go on there just to do shopping like you guys do on Amazon. We're on Overstock because we like to see where it's coming from. I think these came from
Indonesia.
It would have been nice to get a local tile, but this is fine because this is cool. We just love the features of it. Yeah, so Overstock.com, someplace you would never think of shopping for tile, but they have a huge selection, quick shipping, and it's arrived safely. So that's really awesome. And that saves us from having to lug home tile from the store. That's the story, I guess. We're going to wrap it up. You guys can see the sun is starting to set behind us. I didn't get much done, but we got the door widened, going to the living room. 36-inch wide opening is going to be perfect for easy flow. I think any main entry door or hallway needs to be 36. Now, I didn't capture it on film, but I actually was, like I said, doing blocking in there, doing electrical in there. And that's going to be for the living room wall. We're actually kind of having to work on the living room a little bit prematurely. But we'll try to show that when we have some more light. I'll give you guys the update, show you what it looks like. The room is clean. It looks awesome.
We are almost ready for wall covering.
Coming soon. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with another video. And until next time, take care.
Bye. You know what would be really gross is if you're four-wheeling and you ride right through a big giant spider web.